Greetings, Windows users. I'm excited to talk about a brand new set of quick property assets custom built just for you and your platform. And what we're looking at here is these new keyboard shortcut panels. So these are quick property assets, which means there's a whole bunch of properties over here in the properties panel that allow you to quickly adjust these suckers. So they're super flexible. And the first thing you really want to take a look at is they're giant, right? So if I look at the dimensions of this, it's 1920 by 1368, right? So that's absolutely massive, and that's intentional. It's so that if you really want this to be big and bold on a 4K or 1920, it's going to look great. You can animate it in at a large scale. It's not going to be fuzzy because it's scaled up. So really easy to manipulate. Just change the scale factor of this sucker, and here's an example of this scaled down to 50%, sitting over the top of some content. So designed to be large, which gives you the flexibility to use them however you want. The other thing that's really cool is they're really robust in terms of being able to change the duration of things, and you're still going to get your nice little entrance animation and your exit animation, right? So no matter what you do, whether you make them long, you make them short, you're going to get your animation. The other thing that's great about quick property assets is they are completely customizable. So in this case, this fully supports theming. So I've got this quick property asset selected, and I'm just going to choose a different theme. So let's go with Sun-Kissed 70s. And you can see just like that, the color scheme of this sucker has all been updated. So very simple to quickly swap them out with your favorite theme or match your corporate branding if that's your shtick. Let's take a look at one more of these. Kate, I really like that one. Elegant Red. So themes styles the entire quick property asset, but you can also drill in and change the individual colors. So in this case, I've chosen the separator color, and I'm going to come in and I'm just going to make this a different color, right? So I can completely get the look that I want. I can adjust the borders of the keys. If I wanted to make these gray or something like that. Obviously, you can control the text colors inside here, mess around with the fonts. You have some layout options that you can mess around with if you want. And then they're really simple to update, so you don't have to drill into the groups and go through a bunch of confusing compositing. All you do is come up here and type in the title of this particular shortcut, and if I want to update what's in the keys, hey, I want control S, right? So update the second key, control V, right? Or CTRL. So super easy to update. There's 3 different panels that you have. The first one is a 3-key layout, so it's 3 short keys. Then you've got this simple 2-key layout, one being larger than the other. And then you've got an alternate 2-key, which is the 2 small keys. So really hope you enjoy these assets. They were designed specifically for Windows. They use a native Microsoft font. Sigao, I believe is how you say it. It's the default font and has been on Windows for, back to Vista. So purposely designed to look great for your platform. Enjoy.